And we're going to be at 1604 and Bandera, the super target there in Helotes. We've never been to that one, so it's going to be a lot of fun.
That is a great target.
And then tomorrow's the phone bank.
Okay.
We're doing a telethon tomorrow, so you can call in, and it's very easy to do. An operator will be standing by to take your donation, and we do the shopping for you. So it's going to be a lot of fun tomorrow. All right? Let's do it. Let's make Christmas happen. This holiday toy drive bigger and better than ever this year. Outside today, putting that burr in December. Temperatures struggling to get out of the 40s. Take a look at a socked-in Calaveras Lake. Not seeing too many breaks in the clouds just yet, but we will as the evening progresses, and then especially into the overnight, which is going to help temperatures drop even further. 50 right now on the nose. North wind at 10 miles per hour, dew point at 41, so it feels like 50 because the air is dry enough that wind chill is really not having a big impact, and it's only 10 miles per hour. Into downtown for a look at your evening forecast. Hour by hour, the clouds begin to erode, so it looks like a mostly clear overnight, but we're going to be in the 40s as early as 9:30 or 10 p.m. So stay bundled up if you're going out. Wear the Uggs, wear that new scarf. It's definitely going to be cold, and we're going down into the mid-30s by morning. As a matter of fact, let's take a look for sure that we're going to see this cloud cover pull out from west to east. You can see the moisture has moved into Louisiana now after some flooding rains in Houston yesterday morning. But now some drier air is building. So we're going to still see some Pacific moisture over top. That's churning in the mid to upper levels, but we should see some good surface clearing, and temperatures are going to reflect that. So 32 at Bernie, Kerrville is going to be close, 33 at Frederick, or 32 Fredericksburg, Rock Springs will be close. I think it's 36 in the city, 37 at Hondo. And then you can see, 33 at Hondo. We're going down about 34 at Castroville, 35 at Stinson, Randolph, New Braunfels. I mean, it's going to be close for a lot of communities, even Timberwood Park at about 34. But the good news is the warming trend in the afternoons. We'll go near 60 for tomorrow. Even Wednesday's going closer to 70. But then here comes the next cold front. So it's going to be pretty short-lived as we warm up, because Thursday, this front moves in early. And so Thursday will be one of those days where the winds are going to pick up. We're going to see some light rain, even a few overrunning showers available on Friday. But the bigger story is going to be the wind speeds on Thursday as well as the temperatures. And that's why when you look at the 14-day forecast now, you're going to see a weather impact alert for Thursday. It's going to be because of the winds going north-northeast near 30 miles per hour. So it's going to be very similar to what we experienced on Sunday morning. Now, we start with a weather impact alert for tomorrow morning. Again, mid-30s in the city and metro, but lower 30s to even maybe a few upper 20s across the hill country is possible. 59 the high tomorrow, 66 on Wednesday. And then we're cooling back down with that windy Thursday. The cold front will send temperatures down to 55 for the high. And the rain chances, unfortunately, aren't going to be getting any better than, say, 30 or 40%, and it will be light. As a matter of fact, I would say between these 2 days, maybe a quarter of an inch. That's going to be more of a widespread, maybe a third of an inch. That would be the most. Look at the weekend, though, that's waiting for us. Make your plans for Saturday and Sunday. Mostly sunny, 68 Saturday, 72 Sunday. Very, very nice weather waiting for us over the first weekend of December. And then as we get into this second set of 7, notice we got a 30% chance of rain scheduled for the 11th of December. We really don't see too much more on colder temperatures. As a matter of fact, heading into mid-December, right now the forecast is calling for mid-70s. So bundle up for tonight. Make sure the pets are inside and well fed, but the plants will be okay, as we're not going to hit that first 32 just yet in San Antonio.